Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. And the first one what we can do is to check is you have the last software version. So open the application and right here we have check for update, click on it. And it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one and it can fix your problem. If it doesn't, I recommend it to place your earbuds to the charging case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of the earbuds and the charging case will update. So after 15 seconds, just remove it from the charging case and check. I guess it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!